Hello and welcome to Trains and Viatic, and today I'm at somewhere different. I've been here last year. It's Claymills, which is an old sewers work. Because of some of the buildings and my spiral staircases, I'm not going to be filming everything today, but let's start the title and have a look at this the show. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, get it going. Until we get the motive. Now, if you want to cook to that tunnel section there, there's going to be bigger wagons there.
Yeah.
So you'll be cutting to there. Okay. Right, bigger wagons are going to come out of here now.
I think so.
I'm doing it.
No, I think I've got it. That time.
I don't feel anything up. I'm told anything. That's the idea.
Yep, that's good fun. That's a good little fun layout.
They went outside. Oh, he said it must be done from cherry picker. Do that because they've got dogs coming in the day after, step dogs are coming in to see if any excellence are being used to.
That's my family name, Holland.
Yeah,
Yeah, my mum's from Burton.
So I think
My
so
family live in
where was it?
Burton.
Right.
We
Where
live
was
in
it?
Addiston, but that was my mum's maiden name,
in
Holland.
town, but
Well, I know when
No,
Peter made the sort of high
Pretty
street,
outside.
it was based on photographs,
Yeah.
so there were genuine names in
Yeah.
the shops.
Yeah.
They were
I
all high
wonder
street.
if there was a butcher.
It was in the middle
I
of
don't know,
nowhere.
yeah.
There
I've
was
just
been,
now, aren't they? These are it's brilliant.
I mean, you've got to purposely go to. It's not a place that you'd say, oh, let's pop in for a cookie. That's such a place.
Well, there's been bits in a signal box, but not one like that
Quite like
anymore.
that one.
Yep.
Used to be, but not anymore.
Conference pass, please.
Yeah,
Thank you. Alright.
Sideline signals as well. So.
Yeah, we're taking some photographs, not necessarily exactly there, just other photographs.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
I just say that family name is Holland.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my mum's from Burton, so.
One of Burton's brewery boxes, I think, still exists. I'm not 100% certain it isn't in McAlpin's.
Yeah, it's
It's there, isn't it?
Thank you.
Maltings, that's the one.
no, it's all bought.
Yeah.
But it used to be at Swadleycote. Yeah, originally it was at Swadleycote Station. Passmore, brought it up and
What happened to the engine that was
Still covered up outside.
Covered up, going to Tony.
It was still outside, covered up.
Yes.
I don't think a lot's moved. I think Tony was saying yesterday that the Charity and the joiner's shop, the model's still there, the displays are still there as far as I know.
The engine's still inside,
All the stuff was moved into there as sort of a dumping ground, I think.
There was talk about building or moving to building in the town, wasn't there? But that doesn't seem to have.
Well,
Isn't there a little museum or something in the town?
they moved into what was Ryman's shop, the Station Street
Yeah.
shop. Well, I don't think there's much display in there.
No.
Literature and things like that. Not being in, so I can't say.
Well, we were told to come and look at this one. Jake, who volunteers here.
Oh.
Yeah, he's buying it for us. I'm in Paris at Disneyland at the minute. So he asked us to come and have a
Is there any more projects on the go?
No, I have seen it in my head, but it's just.
Yeah.
And then you wind it up.
Going back to modern, I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do is put a combi, buy myself a combi there, right? And then push it in, and then just put that in, and just push it.
Yeah.
Push it in.
Yeah.
And so yeah.
Nice.
I'm trying to think of things to do it. So.
Yeah, I got you. I'll just fire that one up for you.
Does that one have a name?
Not yet, no. I'm trying to think of a name for it. This one's named after the local postie. It says
Farm.
Arkes, yeah. Unfortunately, we lost them over the year.
Oh, that's a shame.
So.
yours.
Cheers.
Thank you, tonight.
Yeah, will. Thanks for that.
The last day I confirmed was to take that top Vic and what round it this week.
Yeah. Yeah, you get a nice high quality film with it.
You filmed this one at the Elizabethan Society show.
Yep, then at Syston show.
Yes, at the farm place.
Yep.
Had a few new locos since then. This one's my new favourite. It was painted this week.
Nice.
The DI8 down the bottom there. Let's have a breakdown tour as well before you disappear.
Princess and... Oh, right, yeah. Right. You can buy them. Right.
Always recommend a breakdown tour up at Scunthorpe.
I've never been to Scunthorpe. I need to go.
You know, I went to the toilet and I found this bloke down the old.
Oh, well.
Just in case you want to know where he'd been.
Big bloke here.
His legs were up in the air. I remember it's in
I'm doing well then. Yeah, sure. And they're both 5 different times, just hold them both on. Roland gas blocks are up in the museum. Tony gave him a tour around there. Can't go through this water from development area. I think it's Quarry there. You know, Arkes and Trebarwith coming in. Sorry. Carries on to Mali. And comes back again from Mali. And then back to Fort William. Yeah, you'll probably find that perspex probably affect your lighting.
It was okay. It's just trying to fill the nice bits of your monument in the middle.
Yeah, that's the monument to Bonnie Prince Charles.
What a great show. So the location is just next to the sewage work at by Severn Trent, and this is the building. Really recommend it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you very much, Richard.